I'm delighted by the recommendations that they've made, in particular because they highlight the importance of early childhood in laying the foundations for the physical literacy journey throughout life, so supporting physical activity through the life course for young people. Part of that really has been highlighted there, that children need to develop broad range of foundational skills in early childhood, and this is important because as they develop their physical competence, they also develop an understanding of themselves as a mover, and if they understand themselves to be a mover, then they're more likely to engage in physical activity later on. Early childhood is a unique window of opportunity because at a very young age children are not very accurate at judging whether they're good at skills or not, so they tend to feel that they're great if they try hard or if someone gives them lots of praise, so they're likely to engage and learn to be more competent. However, when they reach the age of about 7 or 8, they tend to become more accurate, and then it's almost like a penny drop moment when they look around and compare themselves to others. If we haven't got them competent by this stage, that's when they start to say, oh, I'm not great, and they opt out and they'll avoid physical activity. And then they're at risk of entering a negative spiral of disengagement, which has implications for later health. Children don't just learn all of these skills simply through playing alone. They need to actually be taught some of them, particularly their object control skills like throwing, catching, kicking, etc. These are skills that are culturally specific and therefore need a structured environment with the correct equipment, the correct tasks, and teachers who can analyse where that child is in their developmental stage.